Spiritual warfare is not limited to battles between angels and demons. In the United States, there is a spiritual battle raging behind the scenes of the IRS. For us to win this battle, we must win the narrative so we can change reality at the root, which is the spiritual realm. Everything starts in the spiritual realm first, then is manifested in the physical realm. The most powerful tools for helping us to change reality at the root are words. Because of this, it is important that you become aware of how the IRS uses words to trick the American people into thinking they must pay income tax. The title that has information about income tax is Title 26. Right here, Title 26, Internal Revenue Code. When used in this title, that's talking about Title 26 here. When used in this title, were not otherwise distinctly expressed or manifestly incompatible with the intent thereof. What this phrase right here means, this phrase here, what it is saying is that if a term is explicitly defined in this section, then that explicit definition takes precedence over the general definition of that term. Let's go down here to United States. The term United States, when used in a geographical sense, includes only the states and the District of Columbia. The term United States here, it includes only the District of Columbia because state here is defined as District of Columbia. So the 50 states is not included here. This is still Title 26, but it is Subtitle D, Chapter 38. Here's another definition of United States. The term United States means the 50 states, the District of Columbia. So here, why did they include the 50 states? This is still Title 26, remember that. They included 50 states because this is talking about referring to tax on petroleum. If we go back to this title, Subtitle F, Chapter 79, okay, they do not have the authority to tax an individual that's outside of the District of Columbia, so that's why they don't include the 50 states. So that's the difference. So they know what they're doing, and that's why they are very specific about the definitions. The IRS is using legalism against the American people, similar to how the Pharisees used legalism against Jesus and his servants.